Here are pliers, tape, screwdriver, multimeter, VT200, camera, RFID, I button, temperature sensor, buzzer, ultrasonic fuel sensor, sandpaper, cable tie. Now, let's find positive pole, negative pole, and ACC. The vehicle is ignition off state. The light on the dashboard is not on. Generally speaking, this kind of screw on the car, such as this, and this, is connected to the negative pole of the vehicle's battery, and is best used as a negative pole. We can unscrew the screw and connect the black wire. This wire is connected from the positive pole of battery. Even if the vehicle is turned off, this wire has voltage. So this is the positive pole we need. Generally speaking, this kind of plug on the car has ACC power supply. Unplug it and test the wire one by one. For example, let's test this wire. At this time, the voltage is 0 volts. Turn on the vehicle ignition. At this time, the voltage is 12 volts. So this wire is the ACC wire. Now, let's install the equipment. This orange wire, connect to the ACC power supply. This black wire, connect to the negative pole of the power supply. This red wire, connect to the positive pole of the power supply. When the device is powered on, the green light starts flashing. This is temperature sensor. Black wire, connect to the negative pole of the power supply. Red wire, connect to the 5 volts output of the device, pink wire. Yellow wire, connect to the 1 wire, purple wire, of the device. After all wires connected, wrap them with tape, secure them with cable tie. (1) Enter the temperature sensor index number and name, such as Index 1, name Temp 2. Click Pair. 3. After pairing is successful, click the Read button to read the sensor name and ID. 4. You can set high and low temperature alarms. 5. Each time you can only pair one sensor. 6. If you want to pair the second sensor, you need to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. If you open COM tool, you can see data like this. Find 1 temperature. Index 1 value, 26.1 degrees. Log into the platform. Under the map page, you will see the real-time temperature as above.
Shenzhen iStartek Technology Company Limited, founded in 2015, specializes in development and production of cutting-edge IoT devices for long-term reliability, including 4G vehicle trackers, portable trackers, 4G AI dashcams, and 4G 5G wireless routers. With our expertise in software and hardware solutions of GPS location and 4G 5G wireless network connectivity, iStartek has become a global leader in IoT industry, equipped with dust-free workshop featuring 13 high-speed SMT lines, 2 baking machines, 2 reflow soldering ovens, 1 X-ray machine, 2 experienced assembly lines. iStartek standardized operation processes ensures product quality and monthly GPS tracker production capacity up to 40,000 pieces. All iStartek devices need to pass 12 times of quality inspections, such as raw material inspection, AOI inspection, I/O function testing, 36-hour aging testing. iStartek products qualified rate at a high level of 99.5% and maximum trouble-free operation time of 43,800 hours. iStartek is confident in providing you with 3-year quality guarantee. iStartek R&D team provides strong technical support, enabling us to obtain many ODM and OEM projects, awarded various certifications such as ISO 9001, CE, FCC, 3C, ROS, and passed various national product certifications such as Anatel, NBTC, LTFRB, AIS 140. Looking forward a long time win-win corporation.
Shenzhen iStartek is one of the leading manufacturers of GPS trackers, 5G and 4G wireless routers since 2015.
Welcome